Coimex is transforming the $15 trillion global trade industry through its Exim token. They're doing this by leveraging blockchain technology, and they provide DeFi-powered financial tools and tokenize real-world assets or RWAs, starting with agricultural commodities. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to why this coin is making waves in the crypto industry. Here we are on Coimex. So this is basically a decentralized trade platform, and they're backed by 5 years of operations and trusted by a network of over 50,000 different businesses across 107 different countries. With the Exim token, crypto investors can gain exposure to RWAs and participate in global trade, all while supporting small and medium-sized food importers and exporters with innovative and secure financial solutions. So putting together all of this, we have a huge network, we have a target of a huge trend in crypto, which is RWAs, and we have a team that actually has over 5 years experience each that are experts in their field. So this is a project is already looking pretty good. But what about the token? Well, here we can see this is the token currently. It's currently around 12 cents. It's up 18% over the last day. And as we can see here, the chart does look pretty good and ready to explode to that next level. But what exactly does the coin do? Well, with Coimex actually creating this massive system of infrastructure, what we can do here is basically say that the Exim token is the core foundational element of that. Exim isn't just another cryptocurrency, it is in fact an RWA project, and it's backed by some of the biggest names in crypto. Real-world assets are one of the fastest growing trends in crypto, and Exim is basically leading the global trade and commodity space when it comes to this. So how do investors actually benefit from this? Well, you could go ahead and pick up the Exim token very easily. You can do this on a few different exchanges. One option is the Weeks exchange, as you can see here, where the token is currently trading. All you got to do is type in Exim USDT into Weeks using the link in the description, guys, and you will be good to go to pick some of this up. And if we do look at the chart right here, guys, it does look very promising for the future, in which it could absolutely explode. And because it's pretty low market cap on the grand scheme of things, this could be a great time to get in early. In short, this is an opportunity for the active traders that follow price movements. It fits investors that are looking for that high risk, higher return within the RWA trend. And for me, this is just an asset that I consider to be incredibly undervalued right now. Because of their huge infrastructure they already have targeted and the network that they've got going, this is something that I consider potentially getting as high as 100 mil market cap or even higher. So getting in and joining the community before they leverage this insane network right now could be something that does pay off in the mid to long term. But if you are looking for mid to long term, guys, they do actually have a bunch of different staking programs. So what you can do here is actually earn stable and predictable rewards with a minimum return guarantee of 3.3% in 90 days. And this is unique value because it pulls to directly finance real-world exports, in which, yes, we can see here the prompt pay assurance lets exporters receive payments quickly. Manage your cash flow efficiently with fast, secure, affordable solution. So that's something that is great. And yes, they're just using all of their technology that they have available to really make something that could potentially change the world here. So in short, with all of this, investors don't just earn, they actually fund real trade flows via the Exim app. Now, they also have commodity tokens, so this is more medium term and lower risk, but in short, it's tokenized agricultural commodities. So things such as dried apricot, cashew nuts, or sunflower seeds. And this is all going to be backed by licensed warehouses, designed for investors seeking safer, lower volatility via the RWA exposure compared to typical crypto assets. So in short, these are real products with real value that actually trade for real money. And what Exim are doing here are basically bridging that gap with traditional finance and Web3 using blockchain. Now, if we're talking about PR and news outlets for this project, we can see Crypto Adventure did cover them, and we saw them actually show their face at the Blockchain Expo World in 2024, as well as them doing a national interview on the news here. So if you do want to pick up some of this amazing project, then now is the time, because you can see right now the chart looks just about ready to blast off to that next level. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice, but Exim as a token is an RWA project at the heart of a rising trend. So whether you're a trader, a staker, or a risk-conscious investor, the Exim ecosystem connects your investments directly with real global trade and a huge economy around it. Feel free to discover more in their white paper, because they lay everything out, and you can always go ahead and join their community as well to start investing in the future of RWAs with the Exim token. That's going to be it from me. Links to this will all be in the description, and I will see you in the next video.